In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort a table in Confluence. This might seem like a daunting task at first, especially if you're new to Confluence or haven't worked much with tables in this collaborative workspace. But don't worry, I'm here to walk you through each step of the process with clarity and ease. First, make sure you're signed in to your Confluence account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here, you will see all the spaces where you're either a contributor or an administrator. Click on the particular space that you're currently working on or where the table you want to sort is located. Spaces in Confluence are exceptionally helpful for organizing different projects or teams, so ensure you're in the right one for your task. Next, navigate to the specific page that contains the table you wish to sort. On the top right corner of the page, you will notice 3 dots. This is known as the More Actions menu. Go ahead and click on these dots to reveal more options. One of these options is Edit, which is exactly what we need. By clicking on Edit, you enter the editing mode of the page. This mode allows you to make changes to any part of the page content, including the tables. With your page now in edit mode, locate the table you plan to sort. Confluence tables are versatile tools for organizing and presenting data, but over time, they may need some reordering to better reflect the current status or priorities. To start sorting, identify the column by which you want to sort your table. Perhaps it's a column with dates, names, or statuses, whatever makes the most sense for your needs. Once you have selected the column, hover your cursor over the top area of the column, and you will notice 6 dots appearing. These dots act as a handle you can use to interact with the column. By clicking on this 6-dot handle, a context menu with several options will appear. Look for Sort Increasing or Sort Decreasing. These are your tools for sorting the data in either ascending or descending order. Choose the option that fits your criteria, and Confluence will automatically reorder the rows based on the values in your selected column. And just like that, you've successfully sorted a table in Confluence. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping your tables organized and ensuring that important data stands out. Whether you're managing a project timeline, organizing a list of tasks, or keeping track of inventory, sorting tables can help you and your team stay on top of things. Remember, Confluence is a powerful tool for team collaboration, and mastering these small tricks can significantly enhance your workflow. Feel free to experiment with different sorting options until you find the one that best organizes your data. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it has been helpful and that you feel more comfortable managing tables in Confluence. Happy sorting, and see you in the next video.